Welcome to the FactoryHelp channel. Pneumatic Rotary Clamp Cylinder. The Pneumatic Rotary Clamp Cylinder is a compact actuator that combines clamping and rotating functions in one unit. It securely holds a workpiece using compressed air, then rotates it to a precise angle for machining, inspection, or assembly operations. This design reduces the need for multiple devices, saving installation space and improving system efficiency. Its durable construction ensures consistent performance even in demanding industrial environments, making it ideal for automated production lines requiring precision, reliability, and smooth motion control. Confidence comes from knowledge. Learn with us, become an expert in industrial solutions.